Anything in life, guys, if you have any type of goal, you gotta have a plan.
Today we're hosting our College, Career, and Life Readiness Days, where we partner up with local colleges, local financial institutions to bring awareness to our students about financial literacy and life after high school.
So again, it's not what you make, it's what you save.
I learned in the workshop that it's very easy to spend your money, but it's harder for you to know how to save.
I am your college connection recruiter from South Texas College.
There's a lot of people that don't know about different programs that they have available. And so this workshop actually helps others find their way and get their associates or bachelor's, master's.
When I tell you guys that South Texas College is here for you, I mean it.
We've seen how our students don't have the knowledge for basic skills, opening up a bank account, going out there and looking for a job. So we want to make sure that we partner them up with local organizations that are able to guide them through that.
I took a lot of information from South Texas College and their help and their programs that they have available for us.